Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is Eidul Azha. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. So today, under the title of Language Focus, we are going to learn about homophones. Before this, in Unit 6, we have learned about different sounds of ED. I hope you remember, like this ED, same letter can have different sounds. Do you remember this concept? If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn different letters can have same. But the way same letter can have different sounds, likewise different letters can have same sounds. We are going to learn about it. So our today's SLO is to locate, identify, differentiate between and use some simple pair of words including homophones. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah An-Nahl, verse 14. And it is He who subjected the sea for you to eat from it tender meat and to extract from it ornaments which you wear. And you see the ships plying through it, and He subjected it that you may seek of His bounty, and perhaps you will be grateful. Yes, my dear children. Beta, the message of this verse is, whatever the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given us, these are for us so that we should be grateful. We become thankful. We should find a blessing and we should say, Alhamdulillah, whatever it is. Either it's sea, or it's something we get from the sea, right? And look at these words. Now, sea and sea. You see, the spellings are different. It's a sea, a body of water. And it's sea, the way we look, sea. But the spellings are different, but pronunciation is same. Such type of words are known as homophones. We are going to learn further. First, you tell me what are homophones. I just told you. And do homophones have same meaning? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. What are homophones? Homophone derives from the Greek word homo, which means the same. And phone means sound or voice. So what does homophone mean? Two words which have same sound. Two words which have same sound, or maybe more than two words which have same sound, are known as homophones. And do they have same meaning? No, they don't have same meaning. The way we say one and one. We know this is O-N-E, one. That means one. And one means we won the match. Okay, though we pronounce it the same, but the spellings are different, and these are two different words with different meanings. So homophones have same sound but different meanings. Okay, meet and meet. This meet means like we meet each other every day, right? And this meat, we like to eat meat, right? So these two are two different words, but we pronounce it in the same way. Meat and meat, their meanings are different, right? So such type of words are known as homophones. Let's see, what does your book say about it? All of you, open your book on page number 78. The examples given here are son. We know it's son and son, a father and his son. Now these two words are different, their spellings are different, but they are pronounced in the same way. That's why they are known as homophones. See and see, we just talked about it. Dear and dear. So this dear, like we write a letter or invitation, dear friend, which is dear to us, and this dear is animal. Okay, their spellings are different, but we say it in the same way, and these are homophones. Weak, a strong and weak. Weak, who is not strong, and week, 7 days in a week, right? So their spellings are different, but we pronounce it in the same way. They are homophones. Okay, are you clear with it? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. This project is given in your book. So teacher will divide class in groups. Follow the instructions, make a beautiful poster for homophones. All the instructions are there. You will make a journal of homophones. So pause the video, make this journal in a very exciting manner, and when you are done with this activity, kindly come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time to practice from your book. All of you, open your book on page number 78. Here is the question. Circle the picture that describes the underlined word. Okay, so these two words have same, like here and here. They have same pronunciation. Which word is given here? You have to circle that picture, right? The first I did for you. So complete it in your book and then come back. Yes, my dear student. Are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time for your homework. You will underline these words in your book from page 71. Okay, and also write their homophone. All these words are there on page 71. First, you'll find them, underline them, and then write their homophones. For example, it's on. So there is another word with the same pronunciation, on, right? By and by. And I would suggest you make sentences of these homophones as well. Okay, this is your homework, and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice of homophones. So what we have learned today, we learned to locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pair of words including homophones. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.